right, we're going to go over the 6.2 exit ticket. So if you've already submitted it, that's great. If you got something wrong, you can resubmit it if you want. You don't have to. You'll still get credit for it. If you have not submitted yet, you are welcome to view this video and then submit it afterwards. If that's what you choose to do, that's fine. So I'm just going to go over both questions here. And they're both similar in that we're just taking numbers, right? You're given 3 zeros. So 2, -3, and 0. If you're going to write the polynomial function that they came from, we have to find the factors that each of those zeros came from individually first, and then we'll multiply those factors together. So remember, the theorem that we went over in the notes is if you have a 0, the factor that it came from is x minus that 0. So if it's 2, the factor it came from is x minus 2. If it's -3, it's x minus -3, so minus negative would be plus. And then guess what? This one, if it's x minus 0, that's the same thing as just saying x. So what I'm going to do is, in order to, so this is the factored form of the polynomial. I would probably put that up front if you were to really write it that way, but whatever. It's asking for the standard form. Standard form means multiply it all out. So I'm going to take the two binomials and FOIL them together first. So x times x is x squared. X times 3 is plus 3x. -2 times x is -2x. -2 times 3 is -6. All right. Combine those like terms and you have x squared plus x minus 6. But you don't forget about the x that's out there. Now you're just going to multiply x in, distribute it in. That's x cubed plus x squared minus 6x. So we go and look at our answer choices, and it appears that C right there is your answer for number 1. Okay. Let's look at the second question here. Trying to get this to go away. There we go. All right, whatever. No, came back. All right, 3 multiplicity of 2. All right, let's just do that. I don't know why I can't get that thing to go away. All right, so -3 multiplicity of 2, and then 3. So remember what multiplicity means. That means it counts twice. So it's as if the zeros are -3 twice. So when you figure out the factors that they came from, you need to have -3 count twice. So when it says multiplicity like that, it doesn't mean that 2 is also a 0. It's telling you that this 0 is happening twice. So -3 I'm including twice. When I write the factor that -3 came, remember it's x minus -3, so x plus 3. This one is x plus 3. You have it there twice. And then this one would be x minus 3. Okay. Doesn't really matter what order you do these in when you multiply. You multiply all 3 of these together. To me, I think it's actually easier, instead of multiplying the two x plus 3's together, do this, because this just happens to work out that this is a difference of squares, right? X times x is x squared. X times -3 is -3x. 3 times x is plus 3x. And then 3 times -3 is -9. These will add to 0. So now you've got x squared minus 9. At least it's a binomial that I'm going to then multiply by that other x plus 3. I FOIL these together now. X times x squared is x cubed. X times -9 is -9x. 3 times x squared is 3x squared. And then 3 times -9 is -27. There are no like terms, but if you were to put this in descending order by degree, you're just going to flip the order of these. That negative goes with the 9x. So you end up with x cubed plus 3x squared minus 9x minus 27. When I look at my answer choices, it appears that D is your answer there. All right, so for the second one, the answer is D. All right. Again, I apologize for not being in class today. Shoot me an email if you have questions. We'll be in class tomorrow, so you can also ask then. Otherwise, start on the practice. We'll do the practice today and the lesson quiz tomorrow. The idea is you want both of them done by Monday. So you have class time today and tomorrow to do that. All right. Let me know if you have questions. Otherwise, I will see you tomorrow.